Alright, what is up guys? It is Gartrell back here with No Lift Garage. Today I'm with Ariel, owner and operator of AIM Detailing. Check out his Instagram here. Ariel handles everything from wrapping cars, PPFing,
tinting, everything aesthetically.
Yep, so if you need anything done, feel free to reach out to him directly on Instagram, or his phone number is in his description. Give him a text. Today, we're going to be walking through how to PPF your headlights. This could effectively work on any part of the car. And Ariel is just going to walk you through step by step how to get it done.
So right now we're just degreasing and cleaning around the headlight. It's a brand new headlight, so it doesn't really need to be clay barred. It's ready to go. Just a little bit of alcohol wipe down. Any coating off the lens with the alcohol dries immediately. Degrease, especially underneath. Get the edges perfect so it sticks. Second step is we need to use adhesive promoter so that it really bonds to the edges. We're just putting it on the edge so that it really solidifies down and sticks very well. And he could be on his way right after this. We're going to just do the bottom fog light as well since we're here.
So he's adding the adhesive promoter around the edge of the fog light, same as he did the headlight, to get that firm seal around the edges.
Now we could go ahead. And you know what? I'm going to get a better shape for the headlight. This is good for the fog light. So to start, we're going to spray our tack solution, which is water and alcohol. We're going to take our squeegee off anything that could be there. We don't want it in our film. All the way down. And instead of using soap and water, I like to just use my tack to get it down quick. On. Switch to the corner. And squeegee out. That looks good. Looks much better.
Yeah. You can already see how clear the headlight is looking. It was pretty clear before, but the PPF is just adding an extra layer of that to this fog light.
Take knife, and there's notches on this blade so that I could get a perfect cut, so when I go to break it, it's a nice fresh blade. Go right into the edge. To the top. All around.
Smooth like butter.
Just like that. We're going to close the edge off. The top is going to fold into the headlight so it looks better. Bottom is cut straight to it. So when we come fold all the edges down, perfect. This will use a little bit of heat later on once it dries out. We'll do the headlight first. Perfect. I'm gonna get some film for the headlight. We have the headlight PPF. Clean it off. So now I went in with some gel solution, so it's a little bit easier to handle on this hot day. And I'm going to tack it to the top. And now you can comfortably work with the film. You see how it's floating now and it's not sticking to the headlight. This is what we want. We want it to be floating so it doesn't make any tack marks. Gotta fully pull it over, lock it down. Lock it down.
You may be wondering why I even have to this PPF once again. That's because the Morimoto headlight on the passenger side was having some issue where it was flickering when the low bead was on, but wouldn't flicker when the DRL was on. So in order to get that replaced, we called up Morimoto. They sent us out a brand new headlight free of charge. We replaced it in less than 5 minutes, and now we're just getting a re-PPF while we're here, since we're having the car tinted as well today. So if you need anything, like I said, AIM Detailing's got your back. Reach out to him. They'll be able to set you up with great prices.
Gonna cut this flush so it comes right up to it and it will not go anywhere. Neither will it take on dirt. A lot of the times people overcut or undercut and it takes on dirt. Or if it's pre-cut film, you'll see the whole edge of the PPF and it will show dirt everywhere within the next few months. So always it's better to have full coverage like this. Cut right to the edge. Maximum protection, maximum coverage.
Saliendo de aquí te voy a comprar una Porsche de voy a comprar otra Porsche.
¿Vas a comprar otra? So if you take a look, you can't even tell that the film is on there. Once it's fully down and heated all around, it's fully down, rolled into the edge, and you can't even tell it's there. Check out the corner. So tucked all the way into, you see just a little bit left, heating downwise, tucked all the way in for maximum coverage. Same thing with the headlight. Headlight runs all the way down to here, and it's about to get sealed to the edge. Just have a little bit of water left, drying around, and it's a perfect finish.
Nice. So this will be the last time that you see the car with no tints fishbowl like this again, so get a good look. Just wanted to show what it would look like with the fishbowl and how it's gonna look in just a few seconds when I show you guys the tints. So the car actually looks great after these tints are done. I like the contrast, the dark windows with the white body. and ultimately I couldn't be happier. AIM Detailing did a great job, 70% in the front and 35% on the rest of the panels. It is getting a little darker outside, which is why it looks a lot darker than it is right now, but I absolutely love it. You can still see in the car slightly, but just to make out like a silhouette, you wouldn't be able to see my face super clear. The rears look great, giving that nice dark look on the back. All around. And the PPF came out amazing as well. Did some long distance driving recently. Not a scratch on those headlights, as you can see, or the fog lights. And I couldn't be happier. Believe it or not, this is actually also my first time ever getting tints on a car. Before, I would always ride around Fishbowl, or if I had, in the case of my Evo, the tints were already installed for me. But this is my first time actually spending the money to actually get them done myself, and I couldn't be happier. I'm also really happy that I went with the ceramic over just the regular tints, because ceramic was definitely blocking out the heat during this heat wave that we had in New York recently. Ultimately, I couldn't be happier. I stay cool every time I get in the car. It makes me, you know, don't have to pump my AC super hard. And again, I really love the look. So I just want to give a big shout out to AIM for making this happen. It looks absolutely great, and they have great prices. Something else that you didn't know about AIM is they actually teach you hands-on how to do these types of things yourself. So if you want to learn how to do tinting, paint correction, PPFing, you name it, he can teach you. Reach out and he'll set up a class where you and maybe even your friends could do it. Start your own business. It's a possibility. And he's definitely not the type of person who likes to gatekeep. He will teach you all the secrets of how to do this stuff seamlessly and beautiful. And you will definitely not regret spending your money on a class like that, because it's a skill you learn for life, make money using it, and what can I say? I mean, just look at it. And to be honest, the car looks a little bit lower. I don't know if you noticed. That's for another video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and there'll be more of this Porsche to come, so you don't want to miss it. Peace out, and we'll see you in the next video.